So activating your deep core muscles is so important when you're doing any hip or lower back exercises. So I'm going to teach you how to do that really quickly. So you're going to place your hands in a diamond shape onto your pelvis. From there, you're going to practice tilting the pelvis backwards and forwards until you find the point where you're right in the middle. From there, place your fingertips onto the bony parts of your hips and move in an inch and down an inch into the brief line. From there, have a cough. And you should feel those muscles pop out, and they're your deep core muscles. You now need to practice activating them without coughing. And the best way to visualize it is a tight pair of jeans that you're trying to squeeze into. Take a deep breath in, and on the breath out, try and squeeze into those jeans, feeling those stomach muscles pop out underneath the fingertips, and that's your core muscles. So now we've managed to activate those core muscles, we're going to practice some exercises while they're on nice and strong. So the feet are planted on the floor. You're going to place your hands on your hips to make sure your hips don't roll. One leg is going to stay completely still. Take a deep breath in. On the breath out, the other one is going to drop out to the side. Really simple. On the breath in. On the breath out, you draw it back in. This is the part where it's difficult to try and keep this other leg nice and still. You're then going to repeat that movement on the other side, and you're using those stomach muscles, those deep core muscles, to control the movement. To make it a little bit harder if you want to, you bring your legs up to 90 degrees, one at a time. Keep that lower back flat in the mat. Again, engage those stomach muscles and repeat exactly the same exercise, slow and controlled. Breath out, draws back in. And this really helps loosening the hips off, but more importantly, strengthening the lower back and the hips. Repeat 16 repetitions, 8 on each side, 2 rounds.